early 1970s and late 70s. Oh, papa line lo mi also watching coffee kutro. Also cleaning coffee longan. Also pulping coffee, put him lo box. Now fermentation is stop almost another 36 hours or so. Beyond now, also come roast him, wash him. Now also dry him good lo bed. Now it's later most of what him kutro. Although all been kissing legally price money. Kind of 50 tuya per kilo, maybe 90 tuya per kilo. But also I got him good. It's like line all been kissing me, all CIC been come line more papa line blow you me. But in 80s, 90s, in 2000, you know been getting one blood training, so you mean no been look sabe lo how you mean about water coffee. I'm not almost 35 or 32 years, you know been getting one blood training. But you been start become now okay, bien logan SMS come inside.
Sustainable Management Services or SMS PNG and one organization work underneath lo Monpi Coffee Exports. Monpi Coffee Exports and one big coffee company lo PNG lo exporting green bean lo overseas or markets blaming outside. All this la coffee all come lo all farmers coffee, simple coffee farmers. Lo one all network lo SMS setting. So Monpi Coffee Exports have been engage in sustainable management services, lo work in sustainability program.
Mipla planning coffee, na mipla oklo salim. Washing normal na mipla salim go, na mipla no sabe. Coffee e monem something. Ikam na lo 2016, all SMS come inside na. All been come schooling mipla wanda, really school. Now mi plaksim disa school now mi pla oklo lining. Aulo kati coffee, blooming coffee, na aulo pikim, na wasim, na aulo puti coffee lo when can house. I'm kind school or come give him plan now. I'm pla start lining more disa school come here. I'm pla been lining good plus something.
Miet mia masosem. I am one of those lucky person to join this SMS. That's why na mi plaga dis la 5 la market. Or sample hap or work lo try best lo pani market lo selling coffee.
Work mi pla working now lo farmer or knowledge mi pla passing go down lo farmer. This la knowledge can stop or beginning blow lo tupuna blow can use him lo sustain him life blow. So SMS use him certification as a tool blogen lo working work blogen underneath lo 4 pillars, big pillars, environment, social or quality, health blow farmer, and then big plus anti economy, welfare blow farmer. So time coffee farmer selling coffee blogen go lo all Monpi Coffee mas behind him all this la law underneath lo this la 4 pillar mi calling finish. So time farmer kim lilik mak and can be any more this economic growth to me plus a teaching law, farmer law, alpim, oliet law, community law. One pillar blow SMS, lo work blogger and environment. So SMS I encourage more farmers blow lo one networks lo look out in bush, ground na wara. Time or look out in or display or something, SMS believe was all back can come up in good place down lo now na behind time. One importance blow bush. Lo bush emba giving you kupla win. By pulling kupla win, na bush can give you kai and can give you clothes or you can use him all sample or gupla or diwai inside lo bush lo bilas lo time lo custom na all this la something. So SMS encouraging you farmer lo look out in bush blow you. Sample road lo look out in bush blow you SMS I tambum you lo use marasin because marasin is a bagarap in bush ground na wara blow you. SMS I tambum you lo killing pisin na katim diwai natin. Tambu through lo benin bush. So all sample all law or standard where SMS I put him lo farmers lo behind him.
Bible book lo SMS. Mi pla kam na training you. White man woki research go na give mi pla rogena mi pla give him. Mia you papa ko figaren.
So SMS work lo training mo farmers blogen lo different all topics inside lo SMS curriculum. You got 15 pla topics inside lo SMS book curriculum. Na all this all training based on top lo 4 pla pillar. One environment mi talk finish. One pla quality or social life. Nara pla by help lo farmers. Na last pla one economic life lo one farmer. Na inside lo this la training husbandry practices and one pla important all training topics where mi plus go through because quality start lo coffee garden blue.
Mi talk finish o mi pla bin lucky na gatim this la network one them SMS monpi. The benefit mi pla lukim emino side lo premium taso. Premium one pla blogan. Premium price on top of it's a normal price mi pla work lo give me. Okay, display one pla. Okay, nar pla on benefits some pla kind of training. All financial literacy side blow gender equality law health environment conservation modis la khania coming as a package na kami equipment all farmers lo no the modis la knowledge is kaino sen we talk about climate change. We are also trying best inside the network lo down in slavery block climate change and was saying this group it's a holistic approach here, lo ambla side lo coffee tasol.
Aulo lugar timi playeta mi klasai digem toilet, digem rubbish bin, oga rubbish, tin fish or plastic, or this time masih go back lo rubbish bin blogen yet, na toilet mi plamas toilet lo mi playet. Okay house, lugar tim good, clean him. Mimino ken toilet lo site o coffee, toilet mas blogen yet. Desta now I'm selalu buat kopi belum tagut.
Coffee garden you must try lo come up in a way where you got plenty coffee na quality. So inside lo coffee garden you must pruning coffee blue time you looking mo sem bush finish. Buffer zone important lo work play. You got RFA organic all this la certification standard. Also ko say you must got buffer zone. Na buffer zone must no can one pla line tasola. Must two pla line so now you pla work me. Time you plan him must stick. So namel by plan him more. So time all this la grow ba come up him house blow live all animal kind of rat or narrow something sa run inside. So time you come inside lo coffee garden all this la animal baron come na hide na about inside lo ya buffer zone all ba hide time you go out or ba go inside all ba dig time all dig lo coffee has by looking say coffee too ba pulling wind now ba grow good na ba start good so yumi man too imsa pulling wind and one pla work pla buffer zone nara pla suppose one pla chemical farmer and this la buffer zone ba banishing marasin lo kam na touching coffee blue where you lo toko se organic so important lo work blue me some certification so me like me planning ko anta pinisima must look o some garden narapla boda blue now suppose you boda wanta narapla farmer lo tamblo time me come round lo coffee garden blue you me yet ba mi sabe o some mark blue you ba mi na pa brushing golo narapla coffee blue narapla man so boda mark blue weeding coffee blue you because imi sabe o some weed emsa stealing grease blue coffee so you must clean him coffee garden blue you with him Drainage is an important part where you farmer you can behind him. Taking barret, cleaning good, so water can run good. Where coffee banana action big la water na ba die na kind of thing.
Atin lo sambla plum plalo kunai. Amos larim na pikim. Patlo mita katim na kamapim mo si ambla la coffee now. Disla now em sa gim mita heavy coffee lili. Winim disla kind coffee. Now disla as now olay SMS kam lain mita aulo lugauti coffee mita sa tokime mo si disla kind coffee sa elpim plana mita sa lugauti coffee ose. So mita sa katim ose ambla la coffee. Na disla now mita sa pumapi plan di coffee straight.
So coffee quality start lo coffee garden imi tok finish na and then come lo post harvest. So post harvest one pla important step to lo come up quality coffee. Inside lo post harvest, first plus step you can take him and pick him maroon cherry tasol. Time you pick him maroon cherry, you put him inside lo clean per bucket or bag, and then you pulp him lo same day you pick him coffee.
Before time we mitino sem coffee one da kan samdin so mino vin lugatin gut. Na milarim na bus klo karamapim na no look nice. Ikam na time do sisen taso mi pikim mi lari bus karamapim style. Ikam na 2016 all SMS come inside now. I'll give samba thinking. I'll give samba school now and start mi lukimo sem coffee now. Now mi start cleaning lo bush knife, spade. Me clean him come now me looking big placenis.
After lo you pulp him, SMS is encouraging farmers lo ferment him for 36 hours or 3 days. Time you feeling coffee os come up os wesan minimum coffee ready finish lo washing.
Inside lo coffee add la work mi plus making na help him papa lo make this la work inside lo coffee garden. Na time mi play picking mi plus help him lo cleaning grass na sisim coffee pulling bun do coffee kam lusim lo harele making fire okay barlet na making help him kind work now mi plus pick him coffee help him machine pumapim wara kasaitim.
Mi plus stop toute day. Stop tomorrow na up tomorrow mi plus washing. Mi plus put him lower up long wara na go pumapim wara lo bucket ti kam put him lo site now mi plus washing. Washing rausi kus blogen, rausi flota blogen. Rausi mo sambla skin blogen tu now and plus kam dry the table. Olay SMS line ni plalo okim table tu na mi plus okim table now. Mi plus kam dry the table now. Coffee blom time side. Emsen nara plakain. Kalab lo coffee mi plus looking straight.
After lo washing, time lo dry coffee. Time of drying coffee, you must dry coffee on top of drying bed. He got two drying bed where SMS will encouraging. Number one, open drying where you work in table and you drying coffee blue. Narapla solar dryer, plenty all farmers blue me all got this solar dryer. So this can promote him quality of coffee. So now coffee blow dry finish and then you store him inside low nice black hole storage house blue.
you may start selling coffee. Price come, coffee go. You may say give him Osem. But now, Osem is like training you make him. Now you look at the importance of coffee bro you so you must try best lo you must work in coffee. Now coffee bro you may eat. And by kissing price come.
And then this la same bag, me play encourage me SMS lo maki mo sem hoots, RFA or organic. You must write him on top lo bag. Em show him mo sem this la all one bag em go lo this la market straight. You know can mix in coffee go come. So you can mix in this la coffee go lo all bias blaming. Himi kat all bias example you can go lo plastic or yasubi you can go lo muanti buy. Or you can go to Pitagorame. All this la all buyer stuff. All this la buyer can buy him coffee and then all can buy receipt him. Receipt him important part. All buy weigh coffee blow you some kilo and then all buy give you receipt one time like mark or premium. Now this la receipt me play encourage him you farmer lo keeping receipt blow you good because odita bakam not checking this la receipt. Time you know got receipt. How did the basawe osem you close salim coffee or this like so you farmer you must try and keep him receipt blow you good time you go salim coffee lo all buying points play me.
Time ko saling coffee also give receipt lo andap lo receipt misal dukim one ba premium money also puti andap na gini. Na dista now misal dukim mem sa elpini. Na misal dukim dista kain so. Misal amamas lo lugoti coffee na. Kisim more money.
SMS PNG sa transporting mo this la coffee golo factory. This la car must clean, you must know marasin soap or this la kain must clean plaka. Time mo kisim this la bag go you must got mark on top lo bag so you must this la coffee bag and blo RFA this la coffee bag and blo organic or this la kain. So you must got traceability lo tracing campaign manema coffee and can learn.
La time no 2011 mi kenting plan di ol man ol work lo salim ol coffee we emino bit la tumas kind of some la coffee ol mold na or some coffee lo long time overdue or this la kind of coffee we emino bit la tumas but this time people are going chat lo SMS now quality and come up number one discussing o semena mi plan looking that is the network time expand lo far and wide lo kapadi street. We plan to mo sa factory, we plan to chi coffee kamya. And we plan to mo so we plan number one coffee ta plan to. And then all coffee we plan to we coffee samla time mo samla kan rubbish coffee we mo kamya. And come your app area where is like SMS or extension work and no go no then house line ta so there. Some coffee we mo kamya. But otherwise speaking truth coffee we plan to kisim lo no, this is the certified network here, villages here, the best coffee in Mukuka.
Processing lo coffee, start lo factory now lo go lo green bean big lo process where coffee parchments go in lo machine na sa come out of green bean and then workman sa lo bagging 60 kg per bag also putting and then transporting go lo Monpi coffee. Export ready low capping and then overseas exports.
Coffee come no farmers from Mipla no glass. Sa campo sa green bean form na isa campo display lab where Mipla sa roasting na Mipla sa prepare mo all cup lo tasting coffee.
All man inside lo Monpi coffee export quality room all ba testing this la coffee blue whether this la coffee and quality coffee or not and then all ba pricing you according lo quality where all coffee partners all bringing come lo Monpi coffee exports.
Now me looking mo SMS come inside now and me looking mo me katim gupla chance stuff so I think SMS through SMS people will change their mindset now what in coffee na coffee blow yet but what me play yet.
SMS got 5 plus certified coffee markets, OSM organic, Hoots, RFA or fair trade. where coffee blow you sabe go. Time you behind in school blow SMS na standards blow all these markets, you can sing good win money or all call him premium where and can help him you farmer lost rate him sit down blow you. So time you selling this coffee blow lo this markets, all this all 5 markets where SMS got example organica. Suppose you know you see marasin or you look out in bush ground nawara. All these markets can turn him back na you farmer can benefit lo side lo premium.
Side block picking coffee or side block cleaning grass or
One time lo ogeta ya you got all hodit sa come up or walk pine him out sa come up. All this la hodita also come lo all this la all markets where me call him finish. So me like you play all farmers mars ready or look out the garden blue you all the time ready more all something all standards where all this la markets like him. So time hodit come you me can pass him all markets blame me so he me can continue lo selling coffee blame me lo this la important markets lo overseas.
Coffee. Also, one bla lifeline lo you mean inside lo society where you may start. That's the only means where me plus living lo you me lo side lo finance. So it's like kind training now you make kisimia. I think you may not can come up with some Pablo you may all not been lining me. So it's like training now me like you must line him or picking lo you me so that it's like picking again all must look out things like coffee. Now coffee again but look out him more. That is where now you must transfer him or line him or picking him blow you me so that beyond coffee blow you me and must start carrying it stop yet you wanna beyond generation all must benefit lo coffee blow you me too.
People like him expanding this planet quick you wanna build him this reputation want them won't be low quality site so that market will and by maintained now that's one losing kind of say people like maintaining and then we become competitive. So that we don't let other guys come see coffee loan go out. Coffee must retain here, cash flow must retain here, circulation of cash must flow inside long. Community in a district from
So you watch him all picture finish. Time you behind him all this law or standard, you back him premium hard work money blue. Time you can go back to place you but look out him you yet family blue you also I'm talking sana pinisa you must look out in coffee na coffee by look out you me.